this is such an incredible moment and I'm very happy to be part of something as wonderful as the Bingo Plus family. Maraming salamat.
And of course, my first impression of Bingo Plus was that it was the leading mobile and entertainment platform in the country. But the Cebu Carnival celebration has shown me that the brand is so much more than that. As an entertainer, I'm very honored to be part of the Bingo Plus story and spread, of course, fun, entertainment, and to make people happy, smile, and mawala muna yung mga problema nila sa buhay for a while. Siyempre, sino ba naman gustong malungkot ang life, di ba? We all want to be happy and entertained. Pero, more than just being entertainers, both Bingo Plus and I are passionate about helping the community. Through the Bingo Plus Foundation, we're able to share the same beliefs and advocacies that emphasize creating a better Philippines. Kaya naman, it really is wonderful to be able to represent a brand like Bingo Plus, and I'm more than excited to be working with them. And again, Bingo Plus, thank you for the trust and thank you for making me part of your family. This is such a big moment for me. Og sa Cebu, daghang salamat og maayong gabi ninyong tanan unta nalipay mo na nag-perform ko sa inyong atubangan. Ug sa tanan nagtanaw karon, maayong gabi and cheers and mabuhay and congratulations Bingo Plus. More years to come.